This is AirTouch from Neuralab, enabling you to control any application on your computer with Apple Vision Pro like hand gestures.
At Neuralab, we basically bring the air gesture you see in sci-fi movie like Minority Report and Iron Man to life. All you need is just a regular camera that you already own, and also installation of our software, which should be a quick 5-minute process. So if you have an app that already works with mouse, keyboard, or touchscreen, which I think 99% of the apps in the world does, then you can use gesture without any coding. And what we have here is we're partnering with Sony for this experience. So they're lending us this spatial reality display. And so a lot of time, I think it's common now, a gesture is becoming more and more common with a headset display, but it's not yet as common for, say, like a 3D display. So if you're one of the so if you want your customer to have a choice whether they want the 3D experience on headset or you want them on a 3D display, you can use our gesture application for application to be cross-compatible across different OS and different platform.
3D is one aspect, but you said so it could work with, it doesn't have to be a 3D display. It could just be any display as long as you have a camera in your software.
Yeah, absolutely. It's a 2D display, 3D display, works with projection. As long as you have a front-facing camera, you can add gesture to any surface.
Do you have to program into your application what the gestures do, or can you kind of use it like a mouse?
It works as a mouse or touch out of the box. So the standard Apple Vision Pro gesture, it's like that. Those work with mouse and touch out of the box. But we also offer like 9 different gestures for you to custom program for things like hotkeys, shortcuts.
Can it do any eye tracking, or how are you moving them? Like with the Vision Pro, you look and kind of.
Yeah, we're implementing some eye tracking. We've tried to understand users' intention. Right now, step 1 is important to know whether you're intending to interact or whether you're just installing blinds in your windows. There are a lot of background noise we want to filter out. So we need to figure out who the primary actor is and who is just just going about their business in the background. So one of the clue is you're actually looking at the camera. And then the other rules that we have set up is like, okay, you raise your hand, so that's intuitive. You want to get somebody's attention, you raise a hand, you wave in front of them. So those are the clues that we pick up that you're intending to interaction. So that's kind of some of the cues we pick up that tells our application to lock onto the primary actors to interact. So we have a demonstration here. This is a Sony virtual reality display. So I added Apple Vision Pro like gesture to interact with it. So if I pinch my finger, I can pan around. I can move my avatar around the stage. I added also a couple of keyboard shortcuts where if I open up the finger one, is adding the fireworks sparkle. And if I do number 2, it adds a confetti to the stage. And I can pan around and see confetti all around me. For more information, you can go to our website. That's neuro-lab.com. And we are selling this publicly to anybody right now. So anybody can come to our website and purchase subscription.